So today my topic on dentition in mammals. So dentition is nothing but the arrangement of teeth in upper and lower jaw is called dentitions. So teeth are present in all mammals except in whalebone whale, spiny anteater and platypus. So in platypus two teeth are absent. You can see structure of a typical tooth. A typical mammalian tooth has a crown, neck and a root. So the crown is covered externally by hard muscles, neck and the root are covered by cement. The root is wholly embedded in a socket. It is embedded in a socket. So the entire tooth encloses a pulp cavity. It is encloses a pulp cavity. Tooth is made of dentine. Tooth is made of dentine. So that is a structure of a typical tooth. So it has crown, neck, and a root. That is the main parts in the typical tooth. So next type of dentition. So it is classified into different forms, like based on the attachment of teeth in the jawbone. Teeth are classified into three types: acrodont, pleurodont, and thecodont. So based on the number of sets of teeth that develop during their lifetime, they are also classified into monophyodont, diphyodont, and polyphyodont. So based on the type of teeth, it is of homodont and heterodont. These are the classification of different types of dentitions. Let us see one by one. Acrodont. So based on the attachment in the jaw bones, it is differentiated into three forms. Acrodont. So in this type of dentition, teeth have no root and they are fused to the edge of the jawbone. The root is very much reduced. So it is mostly seen in lower vertebrates like amphibians and reptiles and not seen in mammals. Pleurodont. The teeth are attached to the rim of the jaw. The teeth are attached to the rim of the jaw. This type of dentition is found in lizard and not in mammals. Thecodont, specialized for the mammals. The teeth have root and the root are embedded in a socket of jaw bones. So you have seen in the structure of the dentition itself. So it is typical to the mammals. So based on the arrangement of teeth, that is monophyodont, diphyodont, and polyphyodont during their lifetime. Based on the arrangement of teeth during their lifetime, it is mono, di, and polyphyodont. So teeth appear only once in the lifetime, that is monophyodont. So mostly marsupials have this kind of monophyodont teeth. Diphyodont, it's a characteristics of a human being itself because milk teeth as well as permanent teeth. It's a characteristics of a mammals in which milk teeth appear in the young ones, but as they grow and jaw become larger, milk teeth will be replaced by the permanent one. Polyphyodont dentition involves replacement of teeth time to time. Several times in the it may keep on changing. So the type of teeth, homodont and heterodont. So based on the type of teeth, it is of homodont and heterodont. Homo type of dentition is the condition where the teeth are similar in shape. Example, last we have seen in adaptation of mammals, aquatic mammals. So baleen plates. So example, dolphin. Dolphin is the example for homodont. Heterodont. This condition occurs in, of course, in human it is seen. In mammals in which there are four functionally different type of teeth, namely flat incisor for cutting, long and pointed canines, and premolar and molar teeth for grinding. so which is called as a cheek teeth. So incisor, canine, premolar, and molar. The 4 type. Incisor, it's a flat teeth designed for cutting food into pieces. So canine is generally long and pointed for tearing and eating the flesh of carnivore animals. So premolar, molar are located on the posterior side of the jaw, so used for mostly grinding food particles. So these are the type of teeth. So based on the cusp pattern seen in the premolar and molar, teeth are also in the different forms or different types like trichodont. These are found in fossils Mesozoic mammals in which 3 cones are arranged in the straight lines. Bunodont. These are found in mammals which are having a mixed diet like man, monkey, pigs and all. It's an example for Bunodont. Cecodont. It is found in terrestrial carnivore and in insectivorous mammals. So once more, having sharp teeth for cutting edges. Selenodont, the condition in which it is found for grinding in the herbivore ruminating mammals such as cow, horse, and other type of thing. So the typical thing of a selenodont, it has a crescent-shaped folds. So selenodont, it has a crescent-shaped folds are seen in the selenodont. See the Lophodont. Lophodont mostly seen in elephant, the condition Lopho. This condition is